Just a tip. My little game.
Oh, look, the beak like separated. Oh my god.
Do it.
I'm gonna
Do
Is that the middle of his
There,
head?
that's the brain. Do it.
It's hard to get a good grip on. Ooh, that has got some kick. Man, I gotta go for an easier piece.
Take a neck. You already bit into the head. You're good. You've done your job.
Done nothing.
You wait in the head, you're good.
It doesn't even like. It's
Yes,
so
I'll
hold it.
impossible to like fucking stick.
It's got a fry.
Ah, bone. Ow.
It's a lot of bone. You gotta be careful. I told you have to eat around the bone. You have to be careful. You're basically just eating the skin.
It's like shitty jerky. Like that's the best way to describe it. Like if it
That's
wasn't
really
the
good.
seasoning, it's
The-
fucking awesome.
This stuff is amazing.
This is really good.
It's frog eyes.
Please, yeah, this looks nice.
You don't have to finish it. You just have to try it. We're not in Nepal anymore.
That's God, that was great.
That was disgusting.
I'm gonna try
Hey,
some.
the homemade moonshine really did the trick though.
Oh god, yes.